Every day, millions of technological equipments are restored in the world. In Kansas, a company specializing in computer security has created the XPM plate, which offers you a complete solution anti-theft and recovery of files. It's the most advanced security system in the market, and it has an international patent called Permanent Security Patch. In case of loss or theft for your equipment, XPM becomes your best opportunity to recover it. The installation is very easy. As an example, I'm going to show you how to install XPM in a tablet or in a smartphone. As you know, all the plates can be personalized with your company logo or your favorite design. This one has the standard XPM design, but I've chosen another one decorated with kitty cats to paste it on my smartphone. First, we are going to choose the visible, flat and immobile surface of the equipment, and also we should put on gloves to prevent the glue from coming into contact with our skin. In that case, you should rinse your hands with water quickly. Once you have gloves on, we should put a few drops of glue on the back of the plate, like this, especially in the yellow part. You have to cover the entire surface of glue, but be careful not to spill it. Then, we should take the plate and put it carefully in the place we have chosen to do so previously. We should push it for a while, around 20 seconds, to secure it spaced. And there we go! Your equipment is now fully protected. For more information, please visit www.vmarkid.com. Thank you very much.